All right, guys, welcome to G&G Designs. If you ever been in a situation where you have, per se, took the door handles off a car, like this Dodge Charger as an example, and apparently when you take the door handle off, you're not allowed to hit the unlock button. Now, when you hit the unlock button or lock button per se, it actually disables the back doors of the Dodge Chargers. So on this particular Hellcat here, you can see here we're in the middle of wrapping it. I ran into a situation where the door handle wouldn't open the door. So we open it, wouldn't open it at all. So what you got to do is take these few steps to do it. So as you can tell here in a second here, I'm going to show you. And you got to tear that door panel apart, and that is not fun to do while the door is shut inside. So let me show you something. So here is what it looks like from there when you're inside the car. Give me an example here. You're stuck inside here. You can't get the door open. It won't open. This doesn't work. And one guy put in a video to tear up the seat. You do not need to tear off the seat. Basically, take this piece off right here. There's a panel. There's one screw. Here's a screw in here. Take that off, lift it up. Then you slowly lift it up from the top part here all the way down to here. Make sure the door is locked so we don't have to fight this. And when you pull it back enough, what's going to happen is you come inside here and you're able to rip the panel off. Not breaking any clips. Everything's good there. And then you got to go up inside here. After you put the window up, there's a cable inside here. It looks just like this. But it goes inside like this, up inside. After the window's up, you lift it out, pull it, and it has two of these. So there's one on the inside, one on the outside. The one on the outside works pretty good. See, now I can actually go like this, and the door opens, no problem. So hopefully that helps somebody else out, where you don't have to tear the seat up or anything else, but Chargers are notorious for this. And now that you saw what you got to do, now you got to be careful when doing it. You got to take the door panel off, make sure you take it off easy. Make sure the door is locked, lift it up, and then after you lift it up, you have to actually reach inside when the window's up with the door regulator, raise it up. You'll see a blue and black cable. You just take it off. You don't have to take it off all the way, but when you take it off, just pull down on it a little bit. And after that, you're all set, good to go. The door will open. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys in the next video. More to come.